own an iPhone? Whether you're new to Apple or have been using iPhones for years, these smart setting changes will enhance your experience and make your device work even better for you. Starting with securing your iCloud account. Your iCloud account holds a lot of important data, so securing it should be a priority. Adding a second phone number for account recovery ensures you can regain access quickly if your iPhone is lost, stolen, or if you permanently lose access to your current phone number. Here's how to do it. Open Settings, then tap your name at the top. Go to Sign In and Security, then select Add Email or Phone Number. Choose phone number, enter it, and verify it. Once confirmed, it will be listed as a trusted number. While you're here, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. Most Apple accounts already have it turned on, but it's worth double-checking for extra security. Now, let's go a step further. Go back to the Apple ID page, scroll down, and check the list of devices linked to your account. If you see any unfamiliar devices, tap on them and remove from account immediately. This could be a sign that your Apple ID has been compromised. And if you're unsure whether your account is safe, resetting your Apple ID password is a smart move. I'll leave a link to a video that explains how Apple secures your account and how to fix common Apple ID issues. Now, go back to your iCloud account and scroll down to Advanced Data Protection. It's best to turn this on for maximum security. Next, make sure Find My iPhone is enabled. Go back again and tap Find My. Then, ensure Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and Send Last Location are all turned on. Now let's go through the settings step by step. Now let's tweak some settings to prevent unnecessary data usage and battery drain. Go back to the main settings page, then tap Cellular. Scroll all the way down and disable Wi-Fi Assist. This prevents your iPhone from automatically switching to cellular data when your Wi-Fi signal is weak or you're out of range, saving both battery and data. And while you're here, don't forget to turn off iCloud Drive over cellular, if enabled. It's best to enable it only when needed. For example, when you specifically want to back up files while on mobile data. Want to restrict cellular access for certain apps? Tap Show All under Cellular Data. Then, disable access for any apps that don't need to use mobile data. This way, you're in control of which apps can use data in the background, helping you save even more battery and mobile data. Now let's tweak some settings for a better, smoother user experience. Go back again to the main settings page, then tap General. As you can see, we're moving step by step from the top of the list to the bottom. We're skipping the battery section, and there's a good reason for that. Almost every setting we adjust here affects battery life in some way. That's why I've put together a full video with proven facts on how I doubled my battery life just by focusing on what truly matters. Throughout this guide, I'll be dropping quick battery tips every 1 to 2 minutes, explaining exactly how these settings impact your battery, with proof. But here's the best part. These changes don't just save battery, they also make your iPhone faster, smoother, and more secure. 1. AirDrop. AirDrop is super convenient for sharing files, but keeping it always on can drain your battery and leave your phone open to random sharing requests. To fix this, tap on AirDrop and select Contacts Only, or Receiving Off if you rarely use it. This small change stops unnecessary background activity, saves battery, and keeps your device secure. Second, background app refresh. Some apps keep running in the background, refreshing content even when you're not using them. This can slow down your phone and drain your battery faster than you'd expect. Here's a real-life example. Take a look at this screenshot I captured from my battery settings. You'll probably see a long list of apps running in the background, using power non-stop, without you even realizing it. To fix this, tap Background App. Set it to Wi-Fi only or turn it off for apps you don't need running in the background. This one setting immediately reduces battery drain and frees up system resources, making your iPhone run faster and smoother. 3. Turn on Live Text. Live Text is an awesome feature that lets your iPhone recognize text and images so you can copy, paste, and interact with it effortlessly. To enable this, tap Language and Region, then toggle on Live Text. This feature saves time by letting you grab information instantly from photos, screenshots, and even live camera views. It's super handy. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. 4. VPN and device management. If you've ever installed a VPN or a profile from work or school, it could be affecting your phone's performance without you realizing it. To check, tap VPN and device management. If you see old or unused VPNs or profiles, consider removing them to improve network speed and free up system resources. While we're still in general, let's improve your typing experience. Tap Keyboard, then turn off auto-correction if you find it annoying. And let's be honest, it is annoying. One more thing, enable dictation to convert speech to text. In keyboard settings, scroll down, tap Enable Dictation, and turn it on. Accessibility and display adjustments. Go to Settings. Accessibility. Display and text size, and scroll down to disable auto brightness. Manual control is better for battery life. Under Touch Settings, disable Prevent Lock to End Call. This helps you avoid accidental hangups. In Face ID and Attention, enable Require Attention for Face ID. For extra security, haptic feedback on successful authentication. So you get a vibration when Face ID works. Disable attention-aware features. If you don't like your phone lowering the incoming call volume when you look at it. To optimize notifications, go to Settings, Notifications, and manage app alerts. Some apps shouldn't be sending you constant notifications, distracting you, and they drain battery by waking up the screen. In Sounds and Haptics, enable Change with Buttons. This lets you control media volume directly inside apps like Facebook and YouTube without affecting your ringtone volume. In Face ID and Passcode, disable access to Control Center. Today, view and search. Notification Center. Also disable USB accessories. Now location and tracking settings. Go to Privacy and Security, Location Services, and for each app, choose While Using or Never. Some apps don't need location access at all. Under System Services, disable all this option. It does affect your device without any benefit. It does benefit Apple and the third-party providers. And turn off significant locations. Your iPhone keeps a record of everywhere you go. And don't forget to disable Apple Analytics. These don't help you but drain battery. And under Tracking, turn off Allow Apps to Track. This stops apps from tracking your activity. Now back to Settings. Then Apps, and look for Safari settings and disable Preload Top Hit. It really saves data. Autofill for credit cards. And for more security, remove saved cards too. At the end, disable cross-site tracking. These settings will transform how your iPhone works, enhancing battery life, security, and ease of use. Looking for more tips like this? Click one of those amazing videos and keep watching.